Hello, I'm Mark. I'm back again for the second part of the bed storage video. This is the room where it's going. You can see it's a pretty small room. It's a bit odd to film in actually because it's so small. I can't really get far enough back with the camera. The radiator was further over, so they've had that moved across. But that hole where the pipes are, and that'll all be covered up when the bed goes in. I've set up I was just going to put these are 38mm, these battens on the floor. I was going to put 4 of them on as a sort of to stand the bed on. But the floor's miles out of level. You can see, I've got packers under that end to get it that higher, and I've cut the batten down to the floor at the other end, so it's going to be a bit of a pain to get a level base to stand it on. I'll get them all levelled up, and then I'll come back and start film some more. Got the carcasses in place now, brought them in. So I've got like a 100mm gap down each side, which I had to leave for, I know it's going to be a big scribe, but otherwise the drawer would open past the radiator. So I did it same each side just to symmetrical it up. Still gap all the way around, but there's going to be a sheet of ply going to go on top for the mattress to sit on. I've just screwed it all down to the bearers that on the floor and screwed them together. I'll get the sheet of ply on the top now. Cut a sheet of 3/4 ply down for the mattress to sit on. I'll put this piece of birch ply across the front. So I've got a little lip at the back. I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera. To stop the mattress from sliding off the edge. So it's lined up with a face, but the drawers in now. So it's lined up with the face. So when the drawer fronts get going, the whole face of it all just lines flush. So the whole of this will all just be flush. The drawers come out, pretty much take up the entire width of the room. So there is like another 100mm behind, which you could have made them deeper, but I was a bit sort of worried you'd be so deep there'd be no space left in the room. I'll start fitting the drawer fronts in a minute, and I'll come back and film some more. Just starting to fit the drawer fronts now. What I'm doing is, just put a screw just sort of slightly sticking through, and that's the drawer front there. So I'm going to put a couple of those 2mm packers on the top there, push the drawer front up so it's in position, and then just bang it ever so slightly, push it, and then you'll get 2 indentations on the back of the drawer where those 2 screws are each side. Then you can then drill a small hole, line it back up again, and then screw it through. But I'm by myself, so it's a bit hard to film and do it, so I need 2 hands. So I'll mark them up and then come back. Okay, I've just done that. You can just see you've got 1 mark there, and up under the drawer, the other one there. So just drill a small pilot hole in there, and push it back onto those screws then. And the screw's in exactly the right place, and then I can just put the screw then through from the back of the drawer there to screw it on. Now I can stick a couple more screws further along just to make sure it's firmly held. Got all the drawer fronts on now, as you can see. Quite pleased with them really. Just got these two scribes to go in at that end and that end. They're quite big because I have to allow good 100mm, otherwise the drawers wouldn't have opened past the radiator. As it is, they only just clear it. So I'll get the scribes cut to show how I'd do those, and then there's just a headboard to go in on there because the bed's about 100 the mattress is about 100mm short of the bed base, so there's going to be a headboard goes in, which will also cover up that hole in the wall where the radiator was. It's quite handy as well. Okay, I'll come back in a bit. The scribes, I've cut this one down to size. I've screwed that piece of batten which we left over from the base on the back of it. And I'm going to slide it in here. Then I've removed the middle drawer, so I can just screw it through here. I mean, I could have taken the top back off again, and I could have screwed it in from behind. But it's such a pain in such a small room getting the bed base on and off, so I just thought I'd do it this way. I'll get that screwed on now. Got the scribes in each side. Just giving it another coat of the Osmo wax. I think it's come up okay. I've just got that headboard up there to sort out. I'm done. The headboard's ready to fit. I haven't actually filmed making it, but I'll just show you how I did make it. If you can see. So I just cut a rebound on the edge of the ply there. Just left the veneer on the face. Just glued those blocks around the back just a bit of scrap just to give me something to glue to. So on the face of it, you just get a really neat line so you can just see one layer of the veneer across there, but it just makes it all look the same because I haven't got any end grain shown really on that one. It's all face, so I just sort of keep it all the same. I've just screwed a block on there just to give me something. I was going to put a couple of screws at the bottom because they'll be behind the mattress so no one's going to see them. I've finished it now. It's a bit hard to see because I can't get a fine enough back because the room's so small. So drawers, headboard, just sort of closes the gap up between the mattress isn't quite long enough to reach the wall. Drawers decent size. Quite a lot of storage in there with those 6 drawers. Thanks for watching. Hope you found at least some of it helpful. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be really good. I'd like to build up my subscriber numbers, and I'll be back shortly hopefully in the next week or two with another video. Thanks very much for watching.